I have the Torah Bright Pro Model Banana Traction T-Bird Roxy Sweet Ride here. It's a great all-mountain board. It performs well. I'm really pleased with it. It's a great board for, you know, the girl that wants to get out and be an all-mountain rider. It goes in the park, it hits the boxes, goes over the rails, you can ride the pipe on it. I put it to the test in the trees and on the rocks and in the steeps. That's really where I like to ride, and it did really well. It performed, it's quick turning. So this board has really great eco build. I'm really pleased that some board companies are changing it up a little bit and being more conscious. It's got some great camber in the tip and tail, some elliptical camber, some banana traction, some rocker in the middle here underfoot. It's a really good all-around board. I highly recommend it to somebody that wants to just get out on the mountain and ride all the terrain that any mountain has to offer. So the 2014 Roxy T-Bird, it won the Goodwood for all mountain board. It's a really sweet ride. Totally recommend it to anyone, any girl that wants to get out on the mountain, and not just, you know, entry-level snowboarder, but I've been riding for 25 years and I had a blast on this board. I would ride it anytime.